ranging age from just 2 years old all the way up to 43 years young. Now we love to care for and celebrate with these animals each and every day. So I have a question for all of you. Are you ready to meet some dolphins? Great, because here they are. First up, we have a very special treat for all of you. We have the youngest dolphin here at the amphitheater. She's just 2 years old. She's coming out with her mom to give you all a big wave hello. Feel free to wave back because this is Sky and her mom, Maggie. And next up, we have one of the sweetest dolphins here at the amphitheater. She loves playing with her trainers, and she's coming out to show you all her patented dolphin dance. This is Captain. And next up, we have one of the highest energy dolphins here at the amphitheater. She's coming out to show off for all of you. She's coming to the left of the glass, so get your cameras ready. It's Monica. And of course, we can't forget about the dedicated team of trainers who care for these animals each and every day. Please say hello to our talented team. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these dolphins have a lot of energy and they love to have fun. So let's all watch as they show us how they celebrate life.
Up on those stairs for me. Have you ever gotten the chance to feel a dolphin before? All right, well, we're gonna ask Melanie to line up for us right here. Go ahead, thank you for waiting. Go ahead and feel her back right there. What does she feel like? She feels really soft, right? Let's put our hands back. Yes, that soft skin helps her move super fast through the water. That water dynamic, see? Now, we're we're gonna ask her to make one more noise. And this one, we're gonna take our hands like this, like me, and we're gonna open them up really fast in front of her. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think we startled her. Now, Victor, you've been such a great volunteer. Come on down here. Now, I want you to throw some fish to Melanie. Go ahead, toss that in there. There we go, she can see it. Let's do another one. You have been such an amazing volunteer. Would you like a picture with Melanie? Is your family right there? They're ready for it. I want you to face your family right there. Give them a big wave. I'm gonna ask Melanie to wave behind you with her tail because she doesn't have hands. I'm gonna get out of the picture because this is not mine. Oh my gosh, Melanie, I had no idea. You silly dolphin. Give me a fish five there, buddy. All right, everyone, let's hear it for Victor. Back to you, Micah.
Thanks, Vic. You know, I'm starting to think Melanie's doing that on purpose. How's everybody feeling so far? Great, love to hear it. Well, don't go anywhere because we have so much more fun planned just for you. They've already